Okay, I'm going to try this with one hand because I don't have a tripod. Pour my Guinness. I think I missed the beginning. Oh. It's not a proper Guinness glass, but I hope it does hold it. Not when it's not frosted. I had to frost it in the freezer for about 10 minutes, and it does it good. If I don't frost it first, it overflows a bit at the end. Here we go. It's looking pretty good. I don't have one of those nitro things yet. I don't think I can use that with this can anyways, but nice. Yep, I think I can drink that. Yep. There we go.